Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am discussing most important topic. This topic is useful for all mathematics students, not only mathematics, everyone. This video is useful for everyone. In this video I am discussing how to square a number and how to find square root and how to find cube root without using calculator. Within 5 seconds we have to solve these problems. In maximum in question in exams they ask maximum two digits or three digits number square to ask they ask that find the square root of any two digits number or three digits number. This video is helpful for government job aspirants and who learn mathematics beginners. This video is very useful, please watch till end. This video is very useful. Now we have to see the trick here. Now I am not use any Vedic trick, Vedic mathematics or another any other trick, but I give you one simple trick to solve the square root of two digits or three digits number within 5 seconds. You learn very easily. See this, how to square a number. How to square a number. Suppose I give the trick how to square a number. Suppose we take one number that is 788. We take, suppose we take 88 whole square. What is the 88 whole square? We can't do in mind. We take the calculator and we solve this problem. We solve this, but I give the one trick. Within 5 seconds we solve this. We write down this as they given 88 whole square. We have to find the value of 88 square. We write down 8 and 8. We write like this. And what is 8 square? What is 8 square? We know the tables of 8 square, that is 64. And what is 8 square? This is also 64. And now we have to find 8 into 8. This multiply this 8 into 8 64 and double this we get 128. We get 128. Double this. First step is square this 64 and square this number 64 we get, and we multiply these numbers 8 8 64 and double this number, we get 128. Here left one digit, write down this number. Here we get 4 8 this got 14, we get 6 7 617. This is the square root square of 88 square value is 7744. This how we get within 5 seconds. With practice we solve this problem within 5 seconds. I know this trick, that's why I am solving very fastly. But when you practice this trick by taken number of examples, you also solve these problems within less than 5 seconds. Less than 5 seconds you solve this. We take another example also. We take 78. What is the 78 whole square? What is 78 square? First of all, we write down the 7 and 8. We write down this two numbers. What is 7 square? 49. What is 8 square? 64. And multiply this, we get what we get. Sorry, 7 into 8, what is, we get 56. 7 8 is a 56 and double this number again, we get what we get 1112. Yes or no? 1112. Left one digit, write down here 4 6 7 8 6 6 and 2 what 8 10 4 5 6. This is the value of this 78 whole square, 6084. This is the answer. Okay, we solve this type of problems, many problems within 5 seconds. Okay, the this trick is based on one simple formula. We know that, we all know that a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that this formula. Yes, simply you are using this same problem. This is, we consider this as a, this as b. A square 49, b square 64, 2ab, 2 into this number, 2 into 7 into 8, we get like this, and we add this here, we take this 112, we get same. This is the formula we are used here, same formula we are used. This is when they given two digits number, when they given three digits number, when they given three digits number, how to solve the square of that number. We take one example. Suppose we take 124 whole square, 124 whole square. Okay, 124 whole square. First of all, write down 12 and 4. Split this number, split this number. What is 12 square? 144. What is 4 square? 16. Okay, add this number, multiply this number, what we get? 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 48 plus 48, what we get? 96. 96 correct or no? One left one digit, write down 6 7 13 5 1. This is the answer for this question. How is simple? Yes or no? 5 3 1 5 1 5 3 7 6. This is the answer for 124 whole square. How, like this we solve the number of problems, not only 3 digits number, 4 digits, 5 digits. We take the like that. In exam the maximum ask two digits or 3 digits number to solve the square root of square of that number. Okay, this is the square, how to find the square of this number. Next we move on to trick for how to find square root within 5 seconds. How to find square root. Okay, first of all we know that we square and cube we write it on table. 1 square value is 1, 2 square value is 4, 3 square, I am already tell that how to find the square root of the number. Okay, 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, and 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, and 6 square value 30. I am already told that how to find the square root. You familiar with how to find the square roots. Then we have to find the square root of the number by using this table. So 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, they given. Okay, we take only edge numbers series 5 6 6 9 4 1 0, and here cube also like that. In cube also 7 4 5 6 3 2 9 0. We want like these numbers only. In these numbers we only check at edge numbers. 16 na 6, 25 5, 36 6, 49 9, 4 1 0, like this. You understood? Now we have to go, now we have to solve the one problem. You know that you understand how to solve the square roots of the square root of any number within 5 seconds. Now we take one problem. Suppose I take one problem, that is root of 361. How to find this root of 361? You use the calculators or computers and mobiles to solve this problem, but by using mind calculation to solve this problem within 5 seconds. Some banking exams, I think in banking exams they not given any calculators. That time how to solve this type of problems. Okay, this is very important. We see this, I give the trick 361. Okay na, 1 is there in one in this table. Which square, at which square 1 is ending? At 1 square 1 is there, and 9 square 1 is ending. Write down this 1 and 9. At 9 square 81, 1 is ending na. Here 1 is there, that's why I am seeing 1 is ending here, and here 1 is 1 only. That's why we taken 1 and 9. Okay, next step is cancel out this number, middle number. We cancel out the middle number. Okay, and we see this 3 is there. Okay, 3 is there. Which number we square the number, which number we square it, which number is square it, that number is not greater than this number. Which number, see this, suppose we take 3 square is there, we take 3 square, that is 9. 9 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 3, but 3 is always, which number we square, that number is always less than 3. Okay, that number is always less than 3. Okay, suppose we take 4 square, that is 16. 16 is greater than 3. Okay, we take 2 square, that is also 4 is greater than 3. And 1 square, 1, that means 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. That means we take 1 here, we take 1 here, 1 here. Now these are the two possibilities of this this root of 361. The root of this 361 is maybe 11 or maybe 19. Now we have to check exact value, exact root of square root of this this root. You take any middle, we take any number in between 11 and 19. We take, suppose we take 15, we take 15, we take 15. I am already tell that how to find the 15 square. We know that 15 square, that means 1 5, write down 1 square 5 square 25, and 1 into 5 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10. You write down here 5 2, 225. Now value of 15 square value is 225. That means 361 is greater than 225. 361 is greater than 225. That means the possibility is this number is always greater than 225. That means that the possibility is the we take any number, we take 11, we take 11, that is not possible. This number we take in 15, that is number is 225. How it is possible? 361 is greater than 225. That's why 19 is the root of this 361. Square root of 361. 19 is the correct answer. Okay. Now we take another example. Suppose root of 1936. What is the root of 1936? What is the square root of 1936? How to find? Now we have to check 6. In which square the 6 value is ending? See this, at 4 6 is ending, and at 6 6 is ending na. At 6 square the 6 is ending, and 4 square at 6 is ending. That means we write down 4 and 6 first, and cancel out this number, cancel out this number, and 19 is there. Which number we square that is not greater than this number, that is that number is not greater than this 19. That means we take suppose we see this, that is 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25 is there. Okay, so 25 is greater than 19. It is not possible. 25 is greater than 19. That is not possible. 25 is greater than, we want the number which is less than the 19. We see this 4 square is equal to 16 is there. 16 is less than 19. Yes, 16 is less than 19. 16 is less than 19. That means 4 square, at 4 square 16 is there. We take 4, here 4 and here 4. There are two possibilities is there, that is 44 and 46. Now we take any number between 46 and 44 and 46. We take 45. What is 45? 4 square 16, 25, and 5 fours are 20, 20, 40, 5, 2, 10, 2. 2025 is there. This is 2025 is greater than 1936. This is not possible. This is not possible. That means 44 is the root square root of 1936. 44 is the square root of this number. Okay, square 44 is the this root of square root of 1936. 2025 is greater than 93936. That is not possible. That means this is not correct answer. 44 is the correct answer. If you take another example, so now we have to move on to cube root. How to find the cube root? This is the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube is up to 10. We write down it, and I am and 1 8 27 64 is the 125 2 16 343. How the ending numbers same. How to find the square root? Here also we taken like this only. Okay, 1 is 8 is 7 is 4 5 6 3 2 9 0, like this. And we take one example. Suppose we take 17576, like this. Now we have to find the cube root of this number. What is the cube root of this number? Okay, now same as it is, same method here also using 6. Here 6 is there na, 6 ending. We take at which square the 6 is ending? Here at 6, here 6 is ending. There is no other number. 6 is ending. That means 6 we write down here. And in your square root we cancel out only one number, but here in cube root we cancel two numbers. We cancel two numbers, so that is 17 is there. In which number we taken that is not greater than 17? Which number we taken that is not greater than 17? We take which number we square it, cube. Which number we cube it, that number is not greater than this number. Suppose we see this 3 cube, that is 27. 27 is greater than 17. That is not possible. 2 cube is there, that is 8. 8 is less than 17. Okay, it is possible. That means 2 cube. 26 cube value is root of 26 whole cube value 17576. This is the value of this. Okay, I hope this, guys, thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you.